I'm Noah Kaplan with News 5 in Colorado Springs. Now, a woman has lost her life following the Boulder attacks. So on top of the more than 120 combined state and federal government charges the accused attacker faces, I learned the federal government can also now pursue the death penalty.
So that opens up essentially a whole new path of litigation.
The federal death penalty can be administered for 3 reasons: espionage, treason, and murder.
It's a burden that the prosecution has to prove that a first-degree murder was committed and this was an act of terror. And then if both of those are proven, then they have to prove that the death penalty is justified.
Springs-based criminal defense attorney Jeremy Lowe says similar charges could have been pursued against the convicted Club Q shooter. However, Colorado's state legislature put an end to the practice in 2020. And
the Biden administration, they put a moratorium on not only seeking the death penalty on cases, but actually putting to death any individuals in federal custody.
But now he says things may take a different turn.
And I would be really surprised if the Trump administration and the Department of Justice under Secretary Bondi or Attorney General Bondi did not seek the death penalty in this case.
Now, any of these 3 criteria have to be paired with a confirmed act of terror in order to meet the criteria for the death penalty, according to Lowe. He used the 1993 Oklahoma City bombing as an example.
I mean, we've had people like Timothy McVeigh put to death.
At this time, a death penalty charge has not been issued. It would likely come, Lowe says, in the next 60 to 90 days.
There are 3 current death row inmates: the 2013 Boston Marathon bomber, the 2015 shooter who killed 9 people at Emmanuel African Methodist Episcopal Church in Charleston, and the 2018 Tree of Life synagogue shooter in Pittsburgh. Now, because somebody died, the alleged Boulder attacker now faces 2 first-degree murder charges in Colorado as well. The first for murder with extreme indifference, and the second classified as murder with intent and after deliberation. A conviction on either of these counts can allow a judge to deliver a life sentence without parole. Do you think it's likely he would be convicted of first-degree murder in this case?
Without question. He will be convicted of first-degree murder. It's whether or not they also pursue the death penalty.
In Colorado Springs, Noah Kaplan, News 5.
To see our previous coverage on the Boulder attack and details on the federal and state charges against the suspect, you can find this story on our website at KOAA.com.